Jupyter Hub to deploy, Incube on ARM, and that's pretty exciting because doesn't look like anyone else has done that before yet, and so I think that's pretty cool. However, uh, I left you with this like belief that I was going to go and quickly set up authentication, and that is just not panned out at all. Um, let's scroll up and see if I can find these error messages. Anyways, we can see that the OAuth authentication stuff, the GitHub integration, I think it's broken from what I can tell right now. I could be wrong, like maybe I'm doing something wrong, but there is someone who's actively working on refactoring that chunk of the code, which is normally a sign that there's like something to be improved there. So for now, we're just gonna like use the default authenticator, and we're just gonna store a username and password in the YAML file, which isn't like super secure, but like you know, if someone's able to read my config, um, we're not in good shape anyways, right? Like that's not great. And we'll come back to setting up OAuth authentication another time, and we'll probably do a separate stream about that. But so the thing that I've got here going on is service account name, and so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a service account. Oh wait, yeah, sorry. When I say here, it helps if I show you my terminal. So what we got going on is we can specify service account, and then that that tells the magical computer box that like, hey, what's up? Please deploy my pod with the service account. And so my hope is that if I create the correct RBAC rules for the service account, we'll be able to just go ahead and have a lot of fun. Um, time will tell if that works out or not. But I'm hoping it does, because you know that would be nice. Just put on some royalty-free, no attribution required music. Just you know, when we're spending our days trying to get authentication to work, it helps. Okay, so we're in the process of upgrading it. This is taking longer than I was expecting. Oh, probably because it's having to fetch things. Get all dash n. Okay, image pull back off. So let's go ahead, kubectl describe. Maybe I put the wrong image name. Okay. Let's docker pull. It's totally possible I do have the wrong image name. Okay, what image name? Dask Docker notebook. We're just gonna go ahead and do that. And so then this is all cached for the most part. We're giving it any tag and pushing the combined metadata. And so then hopefully if we go back here, yep, okay, great, that works. And then we're gonna go ahead, describe pod. I'm just gonna do some back off, I guess. But while that hangs out and okay, cool. Kubernetes. Let's try the Helm upgrade again. Okay, cool. This one will probably succeed. But what we need to do is kubectl get service accounts -n jhub. Okay, so kubectl create service account. So we're going to make a Dask service account there. And then we're going to go ahead, kubectl. Oh, do you want? I can take them. I got it. Oh, you want to take them?
If you're like prepared to do so.
Yeah, I'm good. We can enable Timbit camera mode. So friends, here's
Hey friends! So Holden is gonna take Timbit out on the Timbit cam. It's nighttime.
Yeah, we can see if the IR camera works with Timbit. Oh, tiny. Thank you.
Camera aim.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna narrate this a little bit. Let's see if my little boy can come with
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. I have no idea what. Yeah. Poop for prizes. Come on, baby. Poop for prizes.
Looks like Timbit is gonna spend some time sniffing about. I'm gonna go back to mounting my Bye, friends.
Timbit. back, and I'm working on getting the Dask notebook that we've been working around with to run inside of the cluster. So where we left off was we made a service account. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but kubectl, well, can I make, what? I got you. Okay, I'm back now. So we're gonna go ahead and see. I might have to make a cluster role binding. Cause I don't know though. Actually, maybe let's put this in the Dask Kubernetes directory for now, and we can go ahead and we can try and see. I don't know if I can make a role binding that's like, but who knows? Um, kubectl get roles. I don't know if this is going to be a valid, right? Because this is going between two different namespaces. And that seems like I might need a cluster role binding rather than a role binding. But let's find out. Okay, so that looks like it's probably not a party. Well, okay. Let's see. I'm curious. Let's look up, oops, wrong one. Role binding multiple namespaces. I guess that's really, can I do that? This looks like maybe I can. Oh. What? Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Can I connect one service account to multiple namespaces? You can simply reference a service account from another namespace in the role binding. Is that what we were coming to show me? Okay. So it sounds like I should be able to, in our role binding,
Oh, the soda conveniently lacks accent.
hmm,
Since you want to play pots.
okay, I think I have an idea. Wait, no, this is a, okay, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, let's,
No, these are gonna go up.
okay, role
And
bindings.
that's gonna go up. That is a bottle of pills. You should not eat
Mm-hmm. And so we are actually just going to go ahead and we're just going to get the, just this one, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this as rb.yaml. Oh, sorry, it's busy back there.
I love you.
I love you.
Where are these from?
Oh, they go in the
The closet?
yeah, is that okay?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a new role binding. Let's get rid of this creation timestamp. I guess probably also managed fields. Okay. Okay, so that's the role, and the user Dask SA binding to JHub. And this, okay, I think.
Please stop. There's a lot of clothes.
I know, because I don't have enough clothes.
We need a dress barn.
I really want a dress barn, like so much, and like not 100 lime trees, but 20.
20 is a more manageable number of trees to have.
You know, 20 lime trees, maybe some chickens. You know. Oh God, I was watching TikTok and it was just like signs that you are becoming an old punk rocker. Your dream is to move out to a farm so that you don't have to participate in capitalism as much. And I'm just like, oh God, fuck, I'm an aging hippie. Anyways,
Love you.
I love you too. Team aging hippie. Oh yeah, okay. So we've made our role binding, and that might magic some stuff. So let's go ahead and launch a cluster. And we're gonna launch a Dask cluster. Or not cluster, sorry. Notebook server. Okay. And now we are gonna go ahead, we're gonna upload oh yeah, a few things. So the other thing that we want to do is like it's like worker. No, okay. So it's inside of the above the scratch directory, inside of Dask examples, worker spec.yaml. We want to update this from 09b to 09 C, and this is going to be, I think I called it like Dask base. Yeah, okay. Dask base 09C. Configure for dual large. Yeah, so this is so that we use our custom container. So we're going to want to go ahead and upload that. Oh, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Repos, scaling. Python ML, Dask examples, worker spec.yaml. And we need to upload that so that we can like actually run stuff. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to launch, let's do this one because it's the notebook that I've been using most recently. Okay, cool. Okay, that's weird. This says there's no module named Dask. And that's weird because I'm like 90% sure there is a module named Dask. But maybe, no, sorry. What is this? JHub. Okay, kubectl. Describe pod JHub. Okay, we want to see what this thing is running. Right? So this is the thing. It's ostensibly using the Holden K Dask Notebook 0.9.d. So, okay, docker exec, sorry, kubectl exec. So, I did I not? I mean, I don't know. Okay. For Dask, pip freeze. Okay. Maybe I screwed up. Totally 100% possible. Looking like it, honestly. So now we go into the scratch directory, go into Dask Docker, go into Notebook, go into the Docker file. Okay, you know what? Okay. What? Mamba list? Okay, Mamba is not installed. Okay. Touch backslash hello. So this environment is not at all what I was expecting. So that's okay, that happens. Sometimes I screw up and I build the wrong image and I tag things incorrectly. So I think that's maybe what's happened. Build X, build. Yeah, hey John Shay. Oh wow, that's a throwback. Okay, so this is going to be 09C 0. So yeah, let's try it. Oh, right, because it's not running as root. Oh, god damn it. I hate computers. Okay. So, actually, you know what? Before we go, Mamba. Okay, no Mamba. Any Dask? No Dask. Okay, probably not good. So that's fine. So we're gonna go ahead. And I guess I'm gonna quickly drag my Emacs over here for a second, just because I'm gonna have to edit something which has a bunch of credentials in it. What? No. There was, remember I said there was a rat or a squirrel or something, and he just like,
Okay.
he,
Freak the fuck out.
oh, he didn't freak out, but he was goal oriented. I don't know. Oh, it sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Oh, maybe I was just using T. Wait. I'm all turned around. Uh, let's go 0.9. Letters are probably not a great idea. Let's go 0.9.1. Yes. Okay. 0.9.1. Great. Okay, and then we're gonna also do over here 0.9.1. I think it might just have been reusing an old container. I could see that. Oh, cool. Run it again. Oh, all right. Dask Docker, notebook. Cool. Oh, weird. Okay, run this again. This is okay. And then Dask base 0.9. Okay. So that should do the trick for values of should do and the trick, which have some amount of flexibility associated with them. Let's go ahead and log out. No, okay. Helm upgrade. No? Helm update? Wait, am I? No, it is Helm upgrade. Okay, that's fine. So we'll apply the new namespace. And it was Dask notebook v091. Okay. Yeah, okay. sorry, Jupyter Hub. Okay, cool. Image pull back off error. Keep CTL. Describe pod. I probably have a typo because that's most common. Okay, yeah, I think I left off the V when I did that. Okay, let's go ahead and go back. Config.yaml. And so this is the version without the secrets in it. And so I'm just gonna call this Dask notebook and 0.9.1. Cool. And there we go. Okay. Oh, except V. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Great. Oh yeah. Okay. Where's the upgrade? That's gonna fail. So do it again. Yeah, let's Spark. Okay. Image puller coming up. I'm honestly not super sure what the image puller, like why they bother with that. It just seems weird to me because like Kubernetes handles pulling images just fine. It's just adds an extra step, I guess. I don't know. It's fine. Okay. Yeah, on Kubernetes. Cool. So it looks like our Jupyter Hub has come back up. So let's go ahead. See if it's like actually come all the way back up. Okay. Sign in. Oh. Okay. So helpfully, slash unhelpfully, that's good. It even though we redeployed, it kept our old Jupyter instance running around, which that actually that makes a lot of sense. It's just that because I changed the images that we've got, I don't want that. I want to deploy a new image or a new Jupyter Notebook instance. Okay. It looks like maybe, yeah, okay, try restarting it from the hub. So I guess start my server. There we go. Okay, I'm suspicious, but who knows? Okay, run it. God damn it. Sorry. Jupyter Holden. Okay. Okay. Mamba. I think you run into one of the super fun things with Mamba, which is sometimes it just silently fails, but doesn't actually set the exit code properly. So it hasn't actually installed the things that we want. But then again, Mamba should still exist, right? Like, which Conda? Okay. I will. Why is this not like? Meow. Oh, this is a typo, and for some reason, oh god damn it, it's probably this. Okay, so I think what's happened is I have some code um for like essentially falling back, um but because sometimes we can't install AIO HTTP here properly. Okay. Okay. Let's look at well, okay. Sure. So then we go up, we go into base. Let's take a look at what we do here. Yeah, but Mamba is already set up at this point. Yeah. And we don't have to specify the channel of Conda Forge with Mamba. Okay. Okay. So I think what came down is like the shell script would essentially go here. Actually, we can verify that. Pip freeze. Oh no, it didn't do that either. I don't know. Uh, let's see how this works. Uh, oh, oh, we have a. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, good. Good, good. My lab work from the doctor came back, and everything is good. Oh, it's Sunday. I need to do my shot. That's a good reminder. Okay. That being said, we now so I think this just wasn't running, and for some reason it wasn't giving us an error either, which oh wait, I should be able to run that. Let's double check because this is ostensibly yeah. So what happens if I run this? Because this is ostensibly running as the notebook user. Yeah, okay, it looks like I can do that. So that's fine. So let's go into Dask Docker, notebook, Docker build X. Oh, 0.9.2. Because like, hey, whatever, maybe that'll do the trick. And eventually later on, I'll clean up my Docker hub so it looks less. Yeah. kubectl get pawns. kubectl delete. Okay. So we're going to delete that pod. The nice thing though is like, because it's got a PVC, when we recreate the pod, it's recreated with the same PVC backed by the same persistent volume, and so we don't have to re-upload the notebook and everything. So that's kind of cool. Persistent volumes are pretty great. I think I don't know. I know I say hate computers, but okay, cool. So okay, finally we're getting some semi useful error messages. Like at least we know it's running now. So what did it say? Um, Jupyter server proxy. Yeah, that's why I put an or in there. Yeah, why is this not being happy? Hmm. I don't. I mean, it's not great. Whenever I break these out into separate steps, like we're gonna create extra layers in the image, and it's gonna result in some space inefficiency. But on the other hand, like I'm also not like 100% sure what's going on right now. Because like this should fail, and then we should execute the or condition, which is the pip install, and then so that should be fine. Um. Oh shit. Okay. Did he go poo?
No, but he started digging.
Oh, what
And
a.
I said, let's go.
Oh, that is a good boy. Okay, let's try running this again. Because now we'll install AIO HTTP from pip. And then Mamba should hopefully just like recognize that we've pip installed it. And then that should be good enough for it. And that's a no. Hmm. Yeah. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so what do we install over here? Oh, we install lab extensions separately. So maybe. Uh, so we will try and do this. Oh yeah, okay, I need to do my shot. I also need to get ready for surgery. This is gonna be okay. Okay. Okay, arm 64. Now it's getting to that chunk where okay, that looks good. Hmm. Let's see. Ah, do 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 do. Okay. This is. At least it's finally building, so that part's nice. I guess. Um, it's frustrating though that it was just going through without any error message when I passed it an invalid flag. Um, I mean, like, I guess it's my fault, but like, also, like, I wish it, I wish it gave me a better error message. Okay, but it looks like we've made it past sort of that hard part in the install, so that's looking promising. Um, mhm. Okay, okay, the Jupyter server proxy, that'll probably fail, but then we'll pip install it and that should be fine. Um, mhm, okay, this is looking like we're making progress. I'm excited. Um, oh yeah, let's put on some more ambient so I like don't shake the chair completely loose. But okay, this is exciting. Um, Later on, once we get this running, like I'll combine these steps back down together now that we've like narrowed down the problem. Uh, so yeah, this is this is good. Um, how we doing? Yeah, okay. It looks like this is taking a bit of time to build the assets. Ooh, I just noticed that dash dash yes again. So that is not a party. Um, that typo's not good. Okay, so we gotta start it over again because of that typo. I wish Mamba was a little bit more. Um, yeah. That's a good question, Upendra. I could. It's been so most likely the one that I would be most likely to do would be um like about the new stuff that I've been working on in Spark optimizations. Um and that's with better handling of dynamic scheduling. I don't know if that's something that you would be interested in. But if so, like yeah, I can totally do that. I need a better way to keep track of the things that I'm gonna do, but yeah. Uh, I do plan on doing some more Spark stuff in a little bit. Um, but for now, I need to change the pace outside of work. You know how it is. Okay, the kernel is dead because I deleted the container. Um, so that's fine. We'll deal with this later. Yeah, and totally, I will. Yeah. I'm going to take a really quick coffee break. Mostly, I'm gonna go talk to Carolyn and see what she wants for dinner. And so we can order it because I feel like we're gonna order food tonight because we're both doing projects. Uh, so I will be right back. I think I have a be right back screen. Yeah, be right back. I guess it says coffee. It's not coffee, but you get the gist. Okay, cool. So, I'm back, which is lots of fun. So yeah, we agreed what we're having for dinner. So that's good. We're gonna have um, cheeseburgers from our normal cheeseburger place. And so it's good. This is gonna take a hot minute to finish running. And I'm gonna try and remember the name of the normal cheeseburger place that we get our cheeseburgers from. Oh no! Wait, what? Okay. They stopped taking orders in 49 minutes, so we gotta hurry. Uh, and I'm gonna go give her my phone for a second so she can order her desired cheeseburger. Good. We will continue our adventure. How's it going? Oh, okay, we're exporting layers still. That's not the most exciting, but we'll get there soon. We'll get there soon. Do. And okay, yeah, the version is 0.9.2. So while we're doing that export, I can go ahead and bump that version up in my configuration. So yeah, bump it up to 0.9.2. And so that'll hopefully now give us a working environment. Oh, and while this is going, we can make some notes. So the other thing that we want to do here is enable auth. Note ghauth seems to be broken, but someone is refactoring it. Add a service account. It is a single user declaration. And like, I'll turn this into more coherent things later. I'm okay. Yeah. Go for it for your role binding over. So there we go.
I'm sorry.
That's fine. Are you done?
Yeah.
Thank you. Cool. Now we order the food. Hopefully. Oh, no, that is not where it's going. It is going to our home. There we go. And okay. I hope that works and we get food. That looks like that worked. So now we're gonna go over here and we're going to, is it upgrade? Yeah, okay. Kubernetes, upgrade, cool. Oh, yeah, okay, let's take a look. Kubectl. Yeah. Oh, yeah, except I did Dask Docker Notebook instead of Dask Notebook. So there we go. We'll just retag it. Everything will be cached. So that should be, there we go. Yeah, okay. That should be fast enough to keep it from getting too stuck. So it's doing image pull back off, then within a minute it should start pulling the image again. Okay, initializing, running, solid. The hub has been up for 27 minutes, so it'll probably end up bouncing the hub, I'm guessing. Or maybe it just applies a new configuration to the hub and it doesn't actually have to bounce the hub. We'll find out. We will find out.
the same thing on mine.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Okay,
how are we coming along? This is not going well. Let's just try rerunning it. There we go. Let's see. Okay, how's it going? Okay, the image puller is coming up. That's good. It's good. Maybe the hub has been restarted with the new configuration. Let's take a look. How long has the hub been up for? No, we've still got some image pullers that are in the initialization phase. Okay. So I guess we'll just Alexa, create a 2-minute timer. Give myself 2 minutes just before I like start diving in too deep to it, because otherwise, like, I'm just gonna go down the rabbit hole prematurely. Because it's just who I am. Although I guess there's no harm in describing the pod, right? Like we can just take a look at the pod. See what's going on. It sounds like Timbit might need a bathroom break, so we're gonna go and take a quick bathroom break with Timbit. We're gonna set up the Timbit camera. So let's hope that works. Maybe. Let's check out the backyard together. Come on. Oh, bye. Too scary to walk down the stairs? Yeah. Come on. Wanna go potty? Come on, Timbit, let's go. What a good boy. Yeah. Okay. So, the good news is it looks like we timed it just about 100% right, because the terminal, sorry, not the terminal, the hub is just now back up. So let's, oof. Go ahead and hit that. There we go, it's event log. Okay. So it's okay. It looks like, at the very least, like it's not failing right away like last time. So that, yeah, okay. So I don't know if we need a load balancer. Or a remote deployment. Because we're inside of this cluster. If we are running outside of the cluster, we're running the NV outside of the cluster. Okay. So we're gonna clean up this namespace. Oh shit. First. Cool. That looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna call this, and we're gonna see if it's created any resources. Doesn't look like it. And it looks like it's failed. Okay. Cool. Let's hit stop because it's just gonna go ahead and keep going in a loop. So pods is forbidden. User system service account jhub dask cannot create resource pods in API group in namespace Dask forbidden. Okay, so that's interesting. Kubectl get role binding. So I thought this would work. Right? Okay, role binding, service, account, different namespace. So here we go. Hmm. Okay, let's take a look. kubectl get. Okay, let's take a look at the Dask Kubernetes role. So um, kubectl describe service account defend Dask. I'm not. I don't. I don't want to make a cluster role, but maybe that's what I have to do. Alternatively, I could just edit the worker spec to put this in the same. Yeah, let's just do that. Uh, yeah, so if we go ahead and we make those two JHub, switch this namespace to JHub, and then okay, so the role that I want is, I feel like task. I feel like I already have the, okay. No. Maybe it's in Dask examples. Okay. Setup jhub.yaml. Okay, and so let's go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and make Dask examples. Okay. kubectl apply dash f setup. Okay. Ah, fuck, I edited the wrong one. Okay. kubectl create role binding jhub. I don't actually even remember the syntax for kubectl create role binding. Okay. Create role binding. Oh, actually, yeah, why don't I make this a cluster role? Okay, new idea, new idea. Okay. So, I would like to create a role binding from Dask to Jupyter binding. Uh, the cluster role is equal to Dask Kubernetes. The user is equal to jhub. Okay, yeah. And then to the namespace of Dask. Cool. I don't know if that was gonna work or not. So we're actually gonna, yeah, cool. Make that Dask. Make that Dask. Okay. Let's run it again. Oh, okay. Kernel, restart and clear output. Restart and clear all output cells. Yep. Oh, is this working? Is this working? Fuck yeah, looks like it does. Okay. So, okay, let's go back here. Yeah, not this one. So inside of notes, create a role binding, switch the previous role binding to a cluster role binding, then into the Dask, e.g. Whoop. Okay, cool. Those are some really janky nodes. I hope this works. I hope this works. I hope this works. Fuck no. Wait, what? But I got a whole bunch of shit. What? Oh, it's the wrong namespace. There's nothing in the Dask namespace. that's a lot of them. Hmm? Wait, I thought I made a... I want a cluster rule binding. Okay. Kernel. Restart and run all. There we go. Let's go back to our nodes. It's gonna be over here. Okay. Is that the right syntax? Let's go. Is it a cluster rule binding or is it a cluster rule? I don't. Yeah, that looks like it's still a no. Huh. Weird. Okay, so we just let's go. Oh shit, it's not dash dash user, it's dash dash service account. Fuck. Okay. Kubectl delete cluster rule binding. Okay, so then we go back here, and so then we go ahead, we swap this to instead of user, it's service account. Right, where is service account? No dashes, okay, great. And then, and so it's role binding, not cluster role binding, okay. So, kubectl delete role binding. Okay, I guess, I don't know. Let's go ahead and try it again. Oh, yeah, that proxy. Okay, I need to figure out how to make that dashboard proxy through. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks like it's working. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, image pull back off error. Weird. Okay. Okay, well, we can fix that really quickly. Yeah, okay. So not what I want. Okay, let's go ahead. Stop. And we switch this to version 0.9.1. Okay. Kernel, restart and run all. Restart and run all cells. Carolyn, have you got that? Okay, thank you. I'm optimistic this is going to be the magic one where it starts working. So yeah, okay, let's go ahead. How's it going? Come see, come saw, come see, come saw. Okay. Okay. kubectl get pods and Dask. Wait, what? Why are you not? Why are you an image pullback off? Okay, the manifest is unknown. Oh, did I leave a C on the end of that? God damn it. I'll have to C in the middle of it. So I did not notice. Kernel, restart and run all. Restart and run all. I really hope, really hope this is the one where it starts working. Cheesy burger. Fuck yeah. Containers up. I will. I just need to show people that it computed the number 1. And so we see here, yeah, this is the money shot. We finally got it working. That took longer than I was expecting. That's okay. That's pretty much my life, I think, all the time. So thanks for joining me. As I mentioned, I have surgery this coming week. And I need to do my shot and a bunch of other things. I'll maybe make a quick video about what I'm going to be doing, but I don't know. Anyways, regardless, thanks for joining me. If you can vote, please vote for nice people. You know, if you can't, sorry for all of the people asking you to vote. And also, I'm gonna miss doing live streams with my face for a while. But I'll still try and get back to doing live streams. It'll just be like videos of me trying to hack the IoT device that I've got, and so the video will be of the IoT device and my terminal instead of me and my terminal. So thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day and as good a week as possible. And thanks for your understanding, but I might not